To fix an invalid zip code in Cash App, start by understanding why the error occurs. The Cash App says invalid zip code when the zip code you entered does not match the one associated with your bank account or debit card. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized transactions. First, ensure you are entering the correct zip code associated with your bank account or debit card. Double-check the zip code on your account statement or card to confirm. If you are still having trouble, try re-entering the zip code, making sure to enter it correctly and without any spaces. If the issue persists, check that your bank account or debit card is active and valid. An expired or closed account may cause the zip code error. Contact your bank to confirm your account status and to obtain the correct zip code if necessary. Next, restart the Cash App and try again. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve the issue. If not, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to ensure you have the latest version. Additionally, ensure your device location services are enabled, as Cash App uses this to verify your location. Go to your device settings and enable location services for the Cash App. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Cash App support directly for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide guidance on how to fix the invalid zip code error. It is also important to note that Cash App may request additional verification, such as your social security number or driver's license, to confirm your identity and resolve the zip code issue. Be prepared to provide this information to complete the verification process. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the invalid zip code error in Cash App and continue using the service without any issues. Remember to always double-check your information and keep your account up to date to avoid any future errors.